Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 380. Insert, delete, get random order of 1. So we have to implement this randomized set class, in which randomized set is a method which initializes the randomized set object. Then bool insert, in which we'll get a value, and we have to check if the value is not there, if it is already there or not. If it is, we will return true, and if it is not, we will add that to the randomized set. Next method is remove, in which we will check if the value is already there or not. If yes, we will return true. If not, we'll return false. And if the value is present, we will remove that as well. And GetRandom is another method in which that basically returns a random value uh, from the set, randomized set. Okay, and they have also said that you must implement the function of class as that each function works in average order of one time complexity. So I don't think this question needs any kind of explanation. So it's a very straight up problem in which I think we can use a hash map to solve this one. And what we are going to do, we will be simply just initializing a hash map or a dictionary in randomized set method, and in insert we will simply see if the value is present in the keys or not. If it is, we'll do whatever is mentioned. Similarly with remove, and in random method we will use random dot randint to get a random index, and we'll return the key of those who I don't think all the operations will be of order of 1, but yeah, let's see the code. So this is the code which I have come up with. I will try to optimize it in maybe next video, or I'll put up another video for that. But over here what I'm doing, I have declared a dict, and in insert what we are doing, we are checking if the value is in random dict or not. If it is not, we are returning true, and we are saving the value with the default value as true. Okay, otherwise we are returning false. Okay, so look up in dictionaries order of 1, so this function is order of 1. In removing, I'm again checking if the value is in random dict or not. If it is there, we are returning true, and we are deleting the key. Okay, else we are returning false. The other method was get random, in which what we are doing, this is the only part which needs an explanation, otherwise everything is straight up. We are using random dot randint in range 0 to number of elements in the dictionary basically. Okay, so we are picking any random element, random integer from this range, and we are getting the key at that index and returning that. So this was a simple solution. Let's check out the test cases. So as you can see, the test case got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the solution got accepted. And yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.